Hey guys, look what has arrived. It's an Ancestry DNA Activation Kit. So super cool. Wanted to dig into more information about my history. So I am sliding this off so you can see what comes inside the box. Bear with me for one moment. I'm doing this in one hand. Inside the kit, you'll get this is where you'll put your actual sample inside of here. And you'll also get your actual sample. This is what comes in here, and you have to spit into this tube, and you will have to put the actual solution, which is the blue solution, on top once you do that. One thing about Ancestry DNA, they do have a YouTube video out there, guys, on how to do this exactly. So I will not be showing you guys me spitting into the tube and things of that nature. Then once I'm done putting it into this actual piece of plastic, then I will put it into this box, and then I would ship it directly to the post office. You don't have to pay postage, I believe, if it's in the United States. So that's what comes in the box, in the actual kit. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys, that this is an Ancestry DNA Activation Kit. So once you slide the box open, you pop this open here. And inside of here it says, welcome to a whole new world of personal discoveries. You probably know some of your family history, but what you can learn from your DNA can make a profound impact on how you see yourself. Thanks for choosing us to learn more about the story of you, the Ancestry family. Inside this packet, you'll get some instructions on how to activate your kit. It'll pretty much tell you what not to do. I highlighted inside of here saying, do not eat or drink or smoke gum for 30 minutes before giving your sample of saliva. So you have to give a saliva sample inside of this tube that they have inside of here. And then once you have it all sampled out, you spit in the tube, you release and shake, you mail your sample. So how cool is that? So, and also too, you want to make sure you go to the website, either on your computer or your phone, and activate it. It says, do not skip this step. Activating your kit with your unique code is the only way to get your DNA results. And as you can see, this is what's going on the back. So I don't know what that is on the back. Look like a code or something, so I don't know if I'm supposed to share that. But I just wanted to share that I'm doing this for a family member to help them put all the pieces of the puzzle of our family history. So I just wanted to share that, guys. And yeah, hope you guys are having a super fantastic day. Thank you so much for always watching, liking, subscribing, and tuning in. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye.